So we're pretty much set up except for the stovepipe. Got Lone Wolf over there joining us again. Garvey wants to go say hi to the ponies. I don't think he learned his lesson last time he got kicked. Yeah, they're acting kind of crazy. Stepping on my tent and everything. But we need them here to graze our campsite and keep it clear. So yeah, I've kind of set up a little breezeway. And later on I'll close this back door and open that front door of the teepee and kind of radiate some of the heat onto the porch. And there's plenty of room for chairs under there. I'll open the door behind the chair, shut the door behind the stove, and we'll have a real nice view of the sunset from there. Should be really cool. Wolf is set up over in that direction. And once we get water and wood, all of the chores are over. It's about time for us to go get some water. This is a really nice campsite here. Quite a nice view. We're just right over here. Should be enough water for the evening. Colt's on camera. It's a bit later now. We've got Wolf has come to cook in the vestibule, getting a bit of a wind block. And it's windy out there, but it's not so bad in here. Okay, we're looking good here in the soup department. It's time to eat. Catch you after we're done. Okay, it's a little bit later. It's dark. It's windy.
But it's warm.
It is warm in here. That's the voice of Lone Wolf you hear over there. You can't see him. The fire is going well. Had a mishap here. The flue came out. Let's see if I can. The flue came out of the stove. The wind blew it right out. The rings that are supposed to hold it around the damper piece didn't work so well. So now I have the flue inside of the damper piece and it seems to be working fine, but I'm probably gonna have to get a radiator clamp, a hose clamp to solve that issue, because at any moment that pipe could just go flying sideways again. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. You can kind of see it's a little bit loose there, but if it comes loose again, we'll deal with it. But I think it being down in there is going to be better for now anyway. We'll see. Okay, and thus begins the exodus of Briar Ridge. A lot of people here last night. It'll probably be my last visit on a Saturday ever. But that's okay. We had fun, everybody was cool. There were no drum circles or anything like that. So, besides the drones, I mean, other than the drones, everything was fine. There we go. Helinox. Chair 0 is where it's at. We don't have an extra one for Hawk, but we do have sandwiches for him.
Oh, sandwich is way better than chair.
Yeah, you can't eat the chair.